What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today, it is S63 time. We've got this really good looking BMW M8 convertible in here today. It's got a full catback titanium exhaust. It's using the separate valve controller, of which we include in the kit. It's got these wicked 4-inch carbon fiber tips on the back, looking reasonably spectacular. I think it fits very nicely with the elegance of this car. Now again, this car is completely bone stock, no tune, no downpipes, nothing. Factory primaries and secondaries, just the Valvetronic titanium system has been added to the vehicle, so you're getting a lot of flexibility and a more motorsport aggressive sound, which of course at Valvetronic we love. Startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, we're gonna do all the verticals so you guys know how good your M8 or M5 or M8 Grand Coupe is gonna sound with the Valvetronic titanium system. Even though there are lots of options on the market, there is nothing quite like the Valvetronic experience. And of course, it's a convertible, so it sounds even better with a top down. Let's get to it. All right, guys, inside the M8. With the top down, you get so much drama and excitement, even with just a catback system. Listen, you get really nice bass, and the cracks behind us are really nice and aggressive. Wait, wow, why does this sound so good? This sounds as close as I've ever experienced to an E39 M5. That like 3,000 to 4,000. Wow, this thing really sounds good. I'm so impressed already out of the box. This thing is really, really impressive. Pops sound really, really good. Listen to how good this thing sounds. Again, just a catback, no downpipes, nothing, no software. I'm liking it. Dude. Whoa. I can't believe this is just an exhaust and how much it wakes this car up. Impressed. A, in the car, and B, in how much better the experience is with this exhaust. I don't know why anybody would buy anything else. This thing is awesome. Really, really happy. The down low sound, it's like a
E39 M5.
Yeah, like right there, 3000 is like full E39 M5. Much improved. I'll show you guys on the Revs too. We didn't really do a lot of valves closed. That's because the car is so quiet and it's what you would expect. It's Valvetronic, guys. Very quiet when the valves are closed, but with the valves open, man, this thing sounds real good. Listen to the Revs, guys. And that, everybody, is the Valvetronic M8 S63 experience. Now, if you have a convertible like this, or you have a Grand Coupe, or you happen to have an M5 with the same S63 engine, this exhaust configuration, as you can hear from this video, gives the ultimate sound because the placement of the X-pipe, where the valve muffler chambers are positioned when you have the bypasses out to the side, you're still getting a resonance reduction when the valves are open. This system we spent a lot of time engineering and developing so that you could have the best experience. And if you're fortunate enough to have one of these drop top M8s, you know there's only one option to choose. Thanks so much, guys, for watching this video. Check us out at valvetronic.com if you have an M8 like this, an M5, or if you need to get some universal mufflers for the vehicles behind you, you've got an Audi R8 or a Lamborghini Revuelto, we've got the systems for you. So thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you in the next sound improvement video. See you then.